How long does it take to install impact windows and doors? That's a great question. So for a typical house here in the state of Florida, roughly 1,500 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, on average, 2 to 3 working days. Some things that will influence a change in those numbers will be depending on the municipality that you live in. Some municipalities require an additional inspection during the process, which requires us to come back out to the property before we can fully seal and caulk in the windows. Typically on the first day, you can expect our team to come in, make a plan, set up protection, and start the removal of your existing windows and doors. We are only going to remove what we know we can install on that particular day. And this avoids you having a piece of plywood on an opening for the next day or two. So then the second day we come in, we usually come in full force, ready to start working, being that the protection is all set up. And between the second and third day, again, this is a typical single family home, we should be wrapping up. Within those 2 to 3 days, we're conducting our inspections. We have our supervisor coming by, making sure the install is done correctly. We are doing daily cleanups of your home or business and conducting all inspections, as I mentioned, all the way until the final inspection. Once we pass our final inspection, we do our walkthrough with our homeowner, make sure everything is on point, and then usually what ends is a 5-star review with a great testimonial.